Hi, I'm Kathy Weaver, and I don't know if you've heard by now, but I seriously love hosting parties. A what? Yep, a posting party. Most of the time, my posting parties are on LinkedIn, and the reason for that is multi-gazillion fold. But today we're actually going to talk about the LinkedIn profile and the About section. Before you go blah, 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 I don't need that. That's great if you don't. And certainly if you could teach these classes, we can have more and more YouTube videos to help everyone out. And by the way, thanks for subscribing to my channel. So what happens when you go to someone's page after a Chamber of Commerce event, after a virtual networking event, even during a posting party, if there's so many people there, you hadn't connected with everyone at the party yet. How do you do that? What's it for? And why do I care? That's probably the biggest question right off the bat. So let's go to, and again, we have to go from to my profile just because I can show you where the edit buttons are. We've talked about all the things that you see here, the 200-ish character bio, the contact information, the speaker after my name, my profile picture turns into a video, the LinkedIn banner, those kind of things. But let's scroll down to the About section. Do you have any idea how incredibly valuable this one section is to your findability on LinkedIn? My friends, this is the coolest thing ever. Magic pencil, you know, everything is run by 3 dots and a magic pencil. And you can see here that we have 20, yep, still 26, sometimes that changes. We have 2,600 characters to tell people about us. Remember on your bio section, right under your name, that's not where we do the, I help people with this and I fix people something. That's your power statement. That's your name. What do you do? Bam, 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 like that. When you get to the About section, here's where you can go for it. I help people with and I fix people something, hashtags, event pages, links, whatever you want. Now, they're not always live links, which means people have to cut, copy, paste, that whole thing. So what? It gets them to your pages quicker. And that's a perfect way to do that. Perfect way to do that. Totally, you can use emojis. Be sure and use hashtags, of course. And think about what they want to find you as and find you for. Make it easy. If they're going to be interviewing lots and lots and lots of people that do what you do and they want to find out who they're going to buy their Kangen water machine from, or whatever your company is, make it easy for them. What do you do? How do you do it? And probably more importantly, why do you do it? I love helping people with. I love the servant leadership piece of networking, how to help people be more effective on. Whatever that is, this is your time to let them know why you want to help them specifically. Underneath your picture on your profile is fine, but remember, when you make a comment on someone's post, those first 3, 4, 5 words are all that's going to show. That's your power statement, as I call it, because that's what people see you as. Kathy Weaver, Kangen Water Rep, Kathy Weaver, Kangen Water Rep. That's what they see you as. Here's where you can take it a few steps further. 2,600 characters, a website address or 2 or 3, hashtags several, how long you've been in business, certainly. This kind of gives them a little synopsis, a little biography, if you will, all about you. Change it as often as you'd like. Just remember to hit the save button right here and you're good to go. When people come to your page, we talked about this in some of the previous videos. When people come to your page, these are the things they're going to see. And this is, once again, your mini interview. Wow, wait a second. I like what I see. Now what? I like what I see. Now what? I like what I see. Now what? And they're going to go to your About section. I'm trying to keep these videos 5 to 10 minutes, and hopefully we can continue that so you won't have one long video that will make your head explode with all the information that's on here. We're just going to basically hit the tip of the iceberg. We're not even going to dive into some of the big stuff that LinkedIn offers us. This is just like a tutorial mini kind of class thing for training and things like that, because these are some of the things that really helped me up my game, definitely my exposure on LinkedIn, and certainly an opportunity to help other people. So again, this is just a little something that you really need to work on as far as your About section. I want to find out more about you. How am I going to do that? So for me, I needed to do it, and maybe you need to do it too. It's awesome. It's amazing. And LinkedIn is one of my favorite social media platforms because again, that's where most people go when we first meet virtually or definitely in person. Ready to fix your about section, edit, 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 save, save, save. Have a blast doing it and make sure it's something that we all want to know about you. Bye for now, my friends, and we'll see you on the next video. And thank you for subscribing to my channel.